Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default font in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up in the top left corner of the Excel window here. And you want to go down and select Options at the bottom. On the left side, select General. And then on the right side where it says when creating new workbooks, use this as the default font. Click on the drop down here and you can select any font from the list. Body font appears to be the default font here. You can select any font from this list and you can adjust the font size as well. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.